Hi, neighbor. We're going on a nature walk. You can come too. We can walk with my mom or with my dad. Who should we walk with this time?
Wonderful! We can go to the bridge and the enchanted garden.
If you want, you can invite someone you know to come too. Okay, let's go explore!
Enjoy your walk together.
I wonder what we're going to find here. Do you see anything we could collect? Leaves can be so many different colors.
Let's wiggle like the worm. You can try too. Let's wiggle like the worm. You can try too. We can't pick all the flowers, but we can pick that one.
That bug is so shiny. A flower. This one is okay to pick. This one is tiger-tastic. Let's go to the enchanted garden. There's so much to see in the enchanted garden. What do you see? Mom, look, a leaf. Let's chirp like those birds. Chirp, chirp. You can try too. This flower smells good. Have you ever smelled the flower? Butterflies! Wow! Look how they move. I can't wait to show Dad what we found. Let's look in my bag and choose one thing for my dad. What do you think he'd like? Tiger-tastic choice. I think he'll really like that. Here you go, Dad. This is for you.
Thank you. That was so kind to bring me something from your walk.
I had a terrific time exploring outside with my mom and with you, neighbor. Do you want to go on another nature walk?